You know, I gotta say, when you love what you do, every day is like ice cream. I'm Joel Tarian, and I've been an entrepreneur since I was 16 years old. I saw my first real income by age 23. Here are a few things that I've learned along the way. Failure is not to be feared, it's to be admired. You never fail, you only win or you learn. There's no finish line, there is only creation and innovation. Hey everybody, just had an awesome day at the office here. You know, I gotta say, when you love what you do, every day is like ice cream. I don't know why that came to mind, but anyway. So today I want to talk to you about why email marketing is by far the most effective way for direct response. Question I got today: hey Joel, isn't it better to have like 100,000 followers on Instagram than a list of 500 people? Absolutely not. And here's why. When you look at something like Instagram, okay, Instagram is a mass medium. It means that there's a lot of distractions and people are going through their feed, and if there's like huge social media influencers out there that have millions of followers like The Rock or the Kardashians or whatever, you know, people are just going through their feed and they're really not paying attention. What's really cool about email marketing is you can send an email with the Sendshart autoresponder, and it doesn't matter if you have one person on your list or 300,000 people on your list or 1 million people or 2 million, doesn't matter. It takes just seconds to write an email and a millisecond to send it to everybody. But here's what's cool. So it's a mass market medium, but when it hits the inbox of the individual, it feels highly personal and personalized. So that's why email marketing is so effective. When people get your email, it feels as though you've written that email directly to them. So that's number one, it's highly personalized. Number two, have you ever seen an Instagram post or Facebook or something like that where people have a call to action? And especially on Instagram, they say, hey, the link is in my bio, so people have to click from the post, go to their bio, then click on the link. Well, that's a lot of resistance. Every time somebody has to do something, it creates a pattern of resistance. We're like, I don't really feel like doing that. When you're in email, you have total control of that person's inbox. First of all, if you write a good creative subject line, then they're going to open the email. And then once they open the email, it's absolute magic. Why is it magic? Because now you have their personalized attention. That's really hard to get. So they start reading your email, and the best part is to get them to a call to action, to get them to your sales page, you just have to put the link in the email. They don't have to click here and then go to a bio, then go somewhere else. They click on the link and they go directly to your call to action, which should be either a sales page or an opt-in page. And that's it. And that's why email marketing is by far the most cost-effective way of generating income, because it's a mass medium personalization. Like whereas social media is mass medium. So I hope this provides you a great, awesome tip as to why you really want to focus on list building and focus on email marketing, and from there do your affiliate marketing. Have an awesome day, guys.